Fobo Flooring System is a Swiss company, and this company is 150 old years. In India, it's from last 5 years. This company is into flooring system, that to Marmoleum. The core business comes from Marmoleum. This product is a green product made up of all the natural raw material. The main component in this product is linseed oil and the rosin. It's made up of natural raw material, and now we are using this product is into a lot of hospital and offices. As you can see behind, that there's a lot of installation we did in India. And we also have few other products. One is Flotex Flock Carpet. This carpet is basically maintenance-free carpet, and this carpet is like if you put uh, butter or marker, it can easily be removable. If you pour the water on the carpet, it cannot be absorbed by the carpet, as this is in the 1 square meter there are 17 million fiber on this carpet. So we also have a different product called Coral. That's an entrance mattress system. We put in the entrance that there's a statement that if you walk 6 steps, that 90% sand is removed after walking on the Coral. Specialty, see, in India people are more adaptable to vinyl, but now it's like linoleum. People now hospital, they want to be green, they want to be hygienic. So as this product is, I told you, this is main component is linseed and the rosin. Linseed oil is basically oil which prevent the growth of MRSA bacteria, and there's a lot of growth in the MRSA in the MRSA bacteria in the hospital. So this is the main specialty of this product. We are getting a good response. We did 45,000 square meters installation in Continental in Hyderabad. We did Fortis in IFCO Chowk in Delhi. We did Apollo in Bhubaneswar. We did Fortis in Calcutta. We did Vedanta in Delhi. We did Vocard in Mumbai, Asian Heart in Mumbai. So we are getting good amount of response in healthcare sector as well as in office corporate sector.